Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the Aussie versus US dollar. Today's date is March 11, 2024. Let's get started. Last week we saw this big surge to the upside, and that was helped by a lot of technical breaks, including getting above the 100 and 200 day moving averages. Both of those moving averages were converged here. And what you notice off of that break, that the corrective move back down to retest those moving averages right here, found support buyers against that level, and that was a go-ahead to push to the upside on during Wednesday, Thursday, Friday's trade. But on Friday, after the spike to the upside here, that took the price above the 50% midpoint of the move down from this high right here to this low right here. That 50% came in at 0.66565. The buyers turned to sellers, and we pretty much erased all the gains of the day. And closed near this swing area right through here, this yellow area right here. This swing area was defined by a number of different swing highs going back in time to this period right through here, outlining a lot of those levels right through here, and that was the last time that the price traded in this area right through there. We did come up to it right here on the big spike right up here, but then found willing sellers and pushed down to our low price for 2024. Since then, we've seen the price move higher, and in trading last week, we did come up to the high of that swing area at 0.6624. Initially found sellers, but then found support buyers against the low of the swing area at 0.666124, and that gave traders the goose or the impetus to push the price higher, getting above that 50%, but then move back into that area toward the close. And trading here today, we saw mostly sellers in the early session, which tried to get above the high of the swing area, but all these different highs came in within the area, and over the last few 4-hour bars, the price has moved below the low of that area. Now, the one thing that any sort of dip buyer might look at is that the low price today did stall against the high from going back to this week right through here. This is the swing high that came up and rotated down to the low through here. So the inability to move below that level right here may give the buyers some hope that this is a corrective move of a trend-like move to the upside last week that is corrected back down, and now there's a reason to buy against that level, and that's obviously true. You can buy against 0.6594 with the stop below that level, and what you want to hope for is a break back above this swing area right through here. If it get above that level, then all bets are off on any sort of downside. Alternatively, traders may do what a lot of times happens in this when a level is broken and the buyers had their shot. They may look to sell against the level, similar to what they saw in trading here today with its high prices right through here, finding willing sellers against that level. So traders are going to be watching this level, 0.6624. They're going to be watching this level on the downside, 0.6594, to give them clues for the bias, not only today, but going forward in the Aussie versus US dollar. So be aware, be prepared. That's my tactical look at this currency pair as we as we trade on Monday's trade and look forward to the coming week of trading. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.